Amy, come here. So my topic today will be stop helping your child so quickly. Sometimes the best thing you can do when your child is struggling is nothing. That probably sounds wrong. If your child cannot open something, solve something, build something, or fix something out, your instinct is to help. And of course, sometimes you should. But many parents help too quickly. We see frustration and we immediately step in. Here, let me do it. Give it to me. This is how you solve it. The problem is that the moment we solve the problem for them, we may also remove the exact experience they need. Because capability is not built when everything works. It is built during those uncomfortable moments when a child thinks, I don't know how to do this, and then has to try something. Maybe it doesn't work, so they try something else. Maybe that doesn't work either, and eventually something does. That process can look inefficient. It can look frustration. Sometimes it can even look like failure. But something important is happening. The child is learning. I can be confused without giving up. I can try another way. And eventually, I figured it out myself. That last sentence is incredibly powerful because confidence doesn't really come from being told you are smart. It comes from evidence. It comes from remembering. I couldn't do this before, then I worked it out. So the next time your child asks for help, do automatically say no. But don't automatically solve the problem either. Try ask, what have you tried? What else could you try? Which part is giving you trouble? Or sometimes simply wait another 30 seconds, giving them enough support to keep going, but not so much support that you take over. Obviously, this doesn't apply when safety is involved or when a child genuinely needs instruction. But for the small everyday struggles, the stuck zipper, the difficult puzzle, the Lego structure that keeps falling down, the homework question they haven't really attempted yet. Those moments matter. As parents, we naturally want to make our child live easier, but our job isn't to make sure they never struggle. It's to help them become the kind of people who know what to do when they do. So sometimes before you help your child, wait. You might be watching them become capable. Thank you guys. Hope this help you. And if you like my video, please subscribe and let me know what you're thinking. Thank you guys. See you next time.